Hi, mahal. Finally, dumating na ang araw na pinakihihintay natin.
Pieces of my heart scattered like stones, and I'm just trying to figure it out. For everyone,
Friends, I just want you to say thank you, mahal, for loving not just me but also my friends and my whole family. Basta alam mong important sa akin, you also take care of them. That's what I love about you. Maalaga ka, and I'm always your top priority.
but the ocean of my heart is raging. I don't really know what to say. I take a breath and try to breathe.
Message for my parents. Thank you so much. At sinusuportahan niyo yung mga desisyon ko. Nandito lang naman kami lagi ni Renz. Hindi kami mawawala. Thank you.
Yung stronger bond namin ng magiging mag-asawa, yan. Alam niyo naman kung paano ko pangalagaan si nakikita niyo. Kaya yun ang mapapromise ko.
I pull it apart, put it back together, but I can't see my way through the dark.
To my wife, finally. Mahal, it's now official. Finally, kasal na tayo. Maraming salamat dahil araw-araw mo akong pinili. Sa araw-araw mong pag-intindi sa mga flaws ko, hindi man perfect ang relasyon natin, pero nananatili kang malakas para sa atin. Imagine from college classmates hanggang maging magkasama.
After almost 10 years of waiting, thank you po, Lord, for letting us experience this once-in-a-lifetime moment in our lives together with our loved ones and friends who are still here today. Dati akala ko, hindi natin kayang i-achieve to. Pero kapag si Lord talaga ang nagplano sa buhay mo, ibibigay niya ang para sa'yo.
I'm just trying to believe. Sometimes it gets so hard to I'm just trying to get some sleep. But the ocean
Pipiliin kita sa bawat umaga at mamahalin kita hanggang sa dulo. Hanggang sa dulo. Ikaw ang greatest blessing at pinakamagandang desisyon ng buhay. I love you, may mahal, ngayon, at habang buhay. Finally, thank you Lord for everything.
The distance between us will get in between us, and don't turn apart, you know.
Christine Joy, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib? Si Renel Mark na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. I can still remember the day na nagdasal ako sa Guadalupe Church to give me a man who will love me unconditionally and finally get my answered prayer right in front of me. So from this day forward, I vow to support you in everything that you do. I'm excited to start this new chapter of my life with you. I love you, mahal.